Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to insert images in Excel cell. You can feed image in Excel cell automatically. So how you can do this? So let's start with the video. Before we start, I am requesting you, if you're new on this channel and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. So here I have my Excel, so I'm getting here like name like I'm going to create some demo data. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so guys, if example this is name. Okay, and I want to insert images, the the front of the every names like employee names and every anything. So first you have to insert image from your computer. So go to the insert. Okay, there is no any formula to inserting images. There is the steps I'm going to show you. So you can fit images in a cell, Excel cell. When you hide your cell, so images also will hide. Okay, so sometime when you feed the images or photo in cell, and when you are going to hide your cells or column, then image will not hide it. So I will show you how to hide with cell. Go to insert, go to the pictures, and I'm going to take two photos like Amazon and Flipkart. So here you can see I got three photo. Now you have to move photos like hold within the photos like from left button, hold the left button of the mouse and click within the images and scroll down to the cell where you want to fit, and just click on the right corners, any right corners button, and click and fit in your cell. Okay, so it is now I can fit this images in my cell. So now this is fit, but if when I trying to hide my cell, the only cell will be hide, not images. Okay, so what is the solution of this? So guys, in order to log images within the cell, you have to click on images first and then go to the format picture, and here you get the format picture option like paint, fill, and this is effect, and you have to go into size and properties. And now here you can see that these all option like size, properties, textbooks, and alternate text. Now you have to click on properties and go to the move and reset with the cell. Okay, move and size with cell. So locked. Now you have to come back, and you can see now if I hide the cell now, the images also will hide. Okay, and if I insert any column between the between, so if I insert a column between, the image cell will be move automatically. And if I'm trying, if I'm going to try insert cells or rows between the image and the particular data will be scroll down, or automatically come down or up with image. Okay, so this will be the same process you can applicable for every image. If you want, if you have many images to insert within the cell, so you can do this. So guys, that is how you can lock images within the cell. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.